Do you know which pet draws great interest from pet lovers these days? It's the African lovebird. Aside from its beautiful colors and acrobatic displays, lovebird breeder Benny Faustino found a new stress therapy from these birds. We went to Mekawayan, Bulacan to visit the house of Mr. Benny Faustino, who made an aviary because of his wide interest for birds.
Talagang hilig ko, buhat ng bata pa ako, hilig ko na yung ibon. Kaya lang nung araw, mga native na ibon yung inaalagaan ko.
But this interesting aviary was dominated by one bird species, the African lovebird. With its sociable personality, they did not fail to fascinate Benny Faustino, a businessman and bird hobbyist.
Pero nung makita ko tong African lovebirds, tapos nag-aanak sila, tuwan-tuwa ako nung makita ko yung mga anak. So I started breeding lovebirds.
Benny has been breeding lovebirds for 6 years, and according to him, the cost of acquiring these birds is not expensive.
Walang talagang general rule kung saan ka magsisimula at kung magastos o hindi. Kung pwedeng magastos kung ang aalagaan mo yung mga mamahalin talaga. Subalit kung aalagaan mo yung mga pangkaraniwang kulay na hindi masyadong mahal, hindi naman yan kamahalan. Ang mahalaga siguro, itatama lang natin dun sa kakayahan natin kung alin yung gusto natin at yung makakaya natin.
African lovebirds are also less time-consuming to maintain compared to other pets. All they need is to be given proper space requirements to move in their daily food in order to stay healthy.
Sa umaga, magpapalit ng tubig. Pagkapalit ng tubig, bibigyan sila ng gulay, itlog, mga pinagsama-samang kung tawagin namin soft food. Ang magkakahalo dito ay hard-boiled egg, petsay na hiniwa ng pino, konting carrot, saka konting vitamina.
Here in the Philippines, 2 of the available species are members of the eye-ring group, the Fisher's African lovebird and the black smashed lovebird. Both have white eye rings encircling their eyes.
Pag sinabi nating mask, maski ano pa ang kulay ng katawan niya, itim pa rin ang kanyang ulo.
Moreover, these birds come in several color mutations. Aside from the normal green color, there are dark green and olive green, which is a darker form of color mutations. The Fisher has blue form and cobalt blue, which is very famous to fanciers. On top of these enormous variety, the possibilities of creating new color mutations are seemingly endless when breeder develops these existing mutations.
Ang unang-unang kulay nito na galing doon sa gubat na pinaghulihan sa kanila, yung normal green. Hanggang sa bandang huli, nagkaroon ng dark green, nagkaroon ng mauve, nagkaroon tinatawag nating sea green, nagkaroon ng mga cinnamon. Unti-unti nang dumami yung mga mutation.
Evidently, Benny became a serious enthusiast as time went by. He started to propagate and collect dozens of various color mutations.
Dito sa amin, kami nagbibigay ng partner sa kanila. So, ang tawag namin doon ay programmed mating. Tinitingnan namin kung ano yung gusto namin palabasin na kulay. Kaya kung itong kulay na ito, sasama mo dito sa lalaking ganito, more or less, ano ba ang lalabas?
Aside from its interesting mutations, Benny noticed more than these birds' physical attributes. These birds cuddle, groom each other, and put food into each other's beaks, just like lovers do.
Kaya sila tinawag na lovebirds. Kasi sa oras na nagkaroon ng kapares yung isang lalaki at isang babae nagpare, hindi na sila naghihiwalay. Hanggang sa sila ay mag-anak, hanggang sa sila ay dumami. Hindi siya pumapartner maski kanino. Faithful siya talaga doon sa partner niya. Parang ako.
Not only that, lovebirds show a good picture of a responsible father.
Parang ito makikita mo yung pamamatnubay ng isang tatay doon sa kanyang pamilya. Pagsuporta doon sa mother pagka nagpipisa, pagsusubo doon sa mga bata pagpapakain hanggang sila ay nakakalipad na.
Aside from learning good family lessons from these birds, for Benny, taking time with these birds could be a very effective stress therapy.
Napakaraming bagay na magiging pakinabang mo sa pag-aalaga nitong mga lovebirds. Unang-una, sa akin, nung magkaroon ako ng konting kapansanan sa puso ko, ito ang naging parang therapy ko araw-araw. Kung may stress ako o anumang problema sa negosyo o maski saan, dito lang ako pumupunta. At nararamdaman kong nawawala yung stress.
With its endless chirping and acrobatic displays, Benny has found answer on how to pacify one's soul.
Nawawala yung pagod ko. Saka nai-enjoy ko maghapon yung pakikinig sa huni nila, yung panonood sa kanila, yung pagmamasid sa kanilang mga kulay.
For Benny, breeding lovebirds is more than just a hobby and a business. The most important thing is that he has learned many things, which made him a better husband and a better father to his children.